Hey there, dishwasher owners. If you're staring at that pesky F7E2 error code on your Whirlpool machine, don't panic. We're here to help you get it sorted out quickly. This error is more common than you might think, especially in 2025 models, and it usually points to issues with water flow or safety sensors. Let's dive right in. First off, what does the F7E2 error mean? In Whirlpool dishwashers, this code typically signals a problem with the inlet water valve or a potential flood detection. It means your dishwasher isn't getting the right amount of water, or it's sensing a leak that could cause damage. This is a safety feature designed to prevent bigger issues like water overflow. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The error often stems from a faulty water inlet valve that's not opening properly, clogged filters trapping debris, low water pressure from your home's plumbing, or even a loose connection in the hoses. Sometimes, it's as simple as a kinked hose or a buildup of limescale blocking the flow. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it fast. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check for any visible leaks around the unit. Wipe up any water and inspect hoses for cracks or loose fittings. Next, clean the filters. These are usually at the bottom of the dishwasher. Remove them. Rinse under warm water, and make sure they're free of food particles or gunk. If that doesn't do the trick, test your water pressure. Run your faucet and see if it's strong and steady. If it's weak, you might need to contact a plumber. Another step is to reset the dishwasher. Hold the start button for about 10 seconds or unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and try a cycle. If the error persists, you may need to replace the inlet valve. Check online for Whirlpool parts or consult your manual for guidance. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to clear that F7E2 error and get your dishwasher running smoothly again. Remember, if you're not comfortable with any of this, always call a professional to avoid voiding your warranty or causing more damage. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay tuned for more home appliance fixes.